How can this jumble of wood and string become a stable structure? Let's see what happens when we make a connection. In a tensegrity, tension across multiple parts gives cohesion to a structure that seems improbable. It can take compression, and it can be rotated any number of ways while keeping its structure. Let's put it up on the wall. Experiments have become one of society's essential threads in the last 100 years, producing evidence that saves lives, makes millions of dollars, and guides our understanding of justice. Experiments are so valuable that they're now everywhere, creating new questions about manipulation, privacy, and accountability. Many past students in this class go on to use experiments in their work. Some routinely test ideas in finance. One tests campaign ideas for a presidential candidate. Another is designing experimentation software for a major tech company. Others need to interpret A/B tests in their role as managers. Several do social science research. Their knowledge of experiments helped them get their jobs and steer their organizations towards evidence-based practices. Each of them is putting together the pieces in their own unique way. Throughout your life, your knowledge of experiments is going to mean so much more than a job to you, your families, and your communities. In The Company We Keep, University of Chicago professor Wayne Booth wrote about the duty and the satisfactions of contributing our knowledge to the people in our lives, to our civic world, and even sending notes of encouragement or sometimes critique to writers and researchers. That's my hope for you. I've loved getting to know you in this, my first class at Cornell. As you go through life, keep in touch and let me know how the pieces come together for you.